unit electromagnetic waves. First of all, what are electromagnetic waves? As the name suggests of the unit, it's electro and magnetic, means waves which consist of both electric as well as magnetic field. That waves are called electromagnetic waves. So in electromagnetic waves, what we have electric magnetic field and the wave, where electric and magnetic field, these both are orthogonal to each other. They are also orthogonal to the direction of propagation of wave. What is the meaning of direction of propagation of wave? Direction of propagation means the direction in which the wave travels. That is called direction of propagation of wave. So in EM wave, we can say that electric, magnetic and direction of propagation of wave, these all three are orthogonal to each other. Electric field, magnetic field and direction of propagation of wave all are orthogonal. Orthogonal means normal or 90 degree or perpendicular to each other. Suppose these are three direction. X, Y and Z. X-axis, Y-axis and Z-axis origin. Let the electric field is along X-axis, it's acting like this. Magnetic field is along Y-axis and it's acting like this. And all over the wave is propagating in this direction. These both energies are propagating in this direction. So this all three waves are perpendicular to each other. Now next is, as we had done Ampere's circular law, and it states that line integral of magnetic field along a closed path that is equals to mu naught times the total current threading across the circuit. This is Ampere's circular law. But this Ampere's circular law have some term missing in it. If we apply this Ampere's circular law for the say capacitor, in that case there is some term missing in it, and that term is called displacement current. So when we add this displacement current to Ampere's circular law, the resultant law is called modified form of Ampere's circular law. This is the modified form of Ampere's circular law. Now what's a displacement current? Displacement current is that current which is due to the changing electric field. So if we say this is the Biot-Savart law, and Maxwell modification leads to the introduction of displacement current in the formula, and displacement current is the current which come into existence in addition to the conduction current. The current we have already in the circuit, that is conduction current, that move along the wire, but a current is there which move along the empty space of the conductor or say of a capacitor, that is called conduction current. Whenever the electric field and hence electric flux change with time, then displacement current exists in the space. Then ID, this displacement current is represented by ID, and its formula is mu naught d phi E by dt, where phi is electric flux, d phi by dt representing change of electric flux. Now modification, we have this formula. Now this current has some missing thing, that is ID. We have two type of current, one is conduction current, one is displacement current. So we will add current ID to the conduction current. So when we add ID to it, we get this term. Overall result will be this thing. it's not mentioned over here, it will be mu naught I plus mu naught epsilon naught d phi E by dt. This is equals to Ampere circuital law, and this is the modified form of Ampere circuital law. And if this I is 0 inside the conduction plate, so this is, if this is 0, then we get a result of this term, because phi is q by epsilon. So when we substitute the value where q is changing, epsilon get cancelled with epsilon, and we again get, but this is displacement force.